another tutorial video about your hair. I'll be doing a 2-strand twist tutorial and also like how to get your hair curly, because you know if you black and you got nigga hair, you can't get no curls. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. And so yeah. But first, I'm gonna take a shower real quick, because y'all gotta wash y'all hair before y'all do this, because if you don't, your shit, it's just not gonna look right. And I haven't twisted my hair in a long time. And for my last video, that how to grow your hair healthy, you see my shit. You see my shit growing. My shit way longer than it was. So yeah, go watch that video too. But anyways, yeah, I'm finna go take a shower. Then I'll be back on me. Alright, I'm back from taking my shower. Damn. Alright. These are the products, I mean not products, things you're gonna need. Like if you got like a fro or something like that, this is what you're gonna need. You'll need 2 combs. I'm telling you, do not comb your shit out with this, because if y'all got black people hair, you know if you comb your shit out with this, your hair will come out with a piece of your scalp in there though. So don't comb your shit with this, because your shit will be fucked. Use this first. Use this comb first. And then what you gotta do is you gotta section your hair. Like get this piece. If you got a fro, get this piece, but I can't do this. If you got a fro, get this piece, go straight down the middle. Go straight down the middle like this. Straight down the middle. And section your hair out. Alright, it's supposed to be 4 sections. One down like this, straight down, and 1 across. And get your stuff like that. Like section 1 down the middle. Alright. And oh yeah. And these are rubber bands you need. Get something like this. But I couldn't find 4 of them like this, so I had to get this. But like, don't really use these, because if your hair thick, I'm telling you, it's gonna be hard as hell to get this one out. So do that. Section your hair. Section it. Get that jump. Get that jump. Feed me. Do you feed me? Get that. Damn. Get the whole section it. This is that be out. This is that be out. Alright. So once it's all like this, okay, but really, this right here is a 2-strand twist. But it was like, I think it's 4 pieces of my hair, but like the dreads are skinny, so I put them together, and it's just like, it's locked now. But okay, this is what you gotta do right here. Okay, if you got a fro or something like that, comb. Once you get 2 sections, get 2 sections of your hair. Get 2 sections. Then comb it out, to get it straight, and put, like, if you got beeswax or something or anything, put it in your hair before you twist it so it'll hold better. And comb it out like this. And then the only thing I do is get it, twist, and twist it as far to, like, as tight as you can, and twist it like this. Just keep going. So I've been doing this for the longest. I'm kind of fast with it, you feel me? Yeah, sir. Then and twist it all the way down. But hold on, I'm gonna just twist like this section of my hair, and I'll be back. I'll fuck with you. All right, I twisted my hair. I left it in for like 5 minutes. And this another way you can get your hair curly is by leaving it in for a minute and then taking it out. Like leaving it in for about a couple of days. Well, it don't gotta be a couple of days, but if you want it to be like that, like to be curlier, just leave it in for a couple of days, and like it should look like this. But my shit fuck, because like I freeform my hair. I haven't twisted my hair in so long, but I'm gonna put a video like right here to show you what it really should look like. And yeah, so look, once you untwist it, once you untwist it, it should be. You see how it's kind of curly, but I left mine in for only 5 minutes, so it's not as curly. But it should be curly if you leave it in longer. You see, my shit kind of fucked off, cause my hair is like freeform. But yeah, it should be curly too. And like and for like people that got dreads, if you leave it in and you use this right here, this gonna get you right. It's gonna get you right.
Okay.
But yeah, and that's about it. So yeah, I got more videos on the way, and yeah, tune in, like, subscribe, all that. And we out.
Tryna find out why baby ain't all in the mentions. No, she ain't get no DM from me. This wrist, it ain't free.